Okay, guys. Today we did a review of the verb to be. Okay, and we wrote some examples. So it's important that you pay attention, that you review the examples, that you remember that with the verb to be, we're going to work with is, am, and are. Okay. It's also important that you remember that for singular names is. For plural names, we're going to work with are. If it is negative, you have to use isn't or aren't, okay, for plural. And you have to choose the correct form of the contraction if you're going to use the contract form, okay? And also, if you're going to make a question, you need to review that the question always begin with an auxiliary. And if you have a WH question, well, the WH question goes first. For example, we have, where are you, Enrique? And you can answer with two different forms. I am in my house, because Enrique answered this. I am in my house, or I'm in my house. Both answers are correct, full form or contract form. Or if we just simply ask, where is Enrique? Okay, somebody can say he is in his house. I'm sorry, he's in my house. Okay, or he is in the park, or Enrique is in the supermarket, etc. Okay, now we make positive statements and negative statements. Okay, positive, I add a plus, and negative, I add this mark. Okay, so Karen is a student is the same if we say Karen's a student, is the same if we use a pronoun she is a student, or the contract form she is a student. For negative, Karen is not a student, Karen isn't a student, she is not a student, or she isn't a student. Or for plural form, Enrique and Azul are friends, is the same if we use the pronoun they are friends. And for negative, Enrique and Azul are not friends, Enrique and Azul aren't friends, okay? Or if you can use the pronoun, we can say that they are not friends or they aren't friends, okay? We have another example. Tanya, Ale, and I, because I am including myself, are in class. It's the same if we said we are in class. Remember that we use the pronouns instead of the name, okay? Or instead of the subject. For negative, Tanya, Ale, and I aren't in class, or we are not in class, or we aren't in class, okay? We have different forms to answer, okay? Or we have different forms to say something positive or negative, okay? With the plural, with the pronoun, okay? Or the subject or the name. You can't use the pronoun and the name, or you use the name or you use the pronoun, okay? If you're going to use a contract form, okay, the correct form of is apostrophe S, R is apostrophe RE, and it's the same as apostrophe M. And for negative, instead of using is not, you can use isn't, ES, and apostrophe T, or are not, aren't, I'm not, okay? I'm telling you this because sometimes we made a mistake using the contractions, okay? It's not correct, that's why I put an X in red, okay? Because it's not correct to put apostrophe is, okay? Also, it's not correct to use is apostrophe. If you're going to use the apostrophe of is apostrophe, this is a correct apostrophe S, okay? Also, it's not correct to use apostrophe R or apostrophe RR or apostrophe R. Nope. The correct form is apostrophe RE. This is the correct form, okay? Now, if you are going to use a WH question, we have different WH questions depending on the situation and depending on the information that we have. What, who, when, where, why, how many, how much, which, whose, etc. Okay. For example, here we have, is he angry? Yes, he is. Or negative, no, he isn't. If we use a WH question, we can say, why is he angry? Okay, he's angry because he lost his money. Oh, that's too bad. Or we have another example. Mireia and Kate are happy. It's the same if we use the pronoun they. They are happy. And Mireia and Kate aren't happy in negative. The question, are they happy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay? And we have a double H question. We can ask, why are they happy? Or who is happy? How are Mireia and Kate? How are they? Well, they are happy. Okay? The answer of this question is this one. They are happy. Who is happy? Well, Mireia and Kate, okay, are happy. Or why are they happy? Well, we don't know the information exactly, but we can create an answer, okay? Why are they happy? Because they won the lottery, because they have boyfriends, or I don't know, whatever. We have another question. Why are Mireia and Kate happy? Okay, is the same as why are they happy? They and Mireia and Kate is the same, okay? They are happy because school is almost over, okay? Casi termina la escuela, okay? So if you can see, the statement is Mireia and Kate are happy, okay? We have the name or the subject and then the auxiliary, well, the action and then the complement. Or instead of saying Mireia and Kate, we are using the pronoun they are happy. So first is the name or the pronoun. Second step is the auxiliary. And third step is the complement. For the question, we are going to make just one change of place. Instead of saying they are, we're going to say are they. Are they. First the auxiliary, and then the pronoun, and then the complement. Okay? This is a question. And also the question mark goes at the end. Okay? Another example, Athena is in love, Athena's in love, she is in love, she's in love. It's the same if you use the name with the auxiliary, or the name and the auxiliary together as a contraction, or the pronoun with the auxiliary, or the pronoun with the contraction. Negative, Athena is not in love, she isn't in love, Athena isn't in love, okay? Is Athena in love? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Who is in love? Athena is, or Athena is in love. How is Athena? Athena is in love. Okay. Who is Athena in love with? ¿De quién está enamorada? Well, we don't know. I am crazy, positive, or I'm crazy. Negative, I am not crazy, or I'm not crazy. Question, am I crazy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you crazy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. How are you today? I'm crazy. Okay, so please review the information, review the examples, okay? And don't forget to make the activities on Unit 1 and 2, okay, with the verb to be. Anyway, if you have questions, please let me know.